What's up guys, it's Millennial Entrepreneur here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn free Bitcoin by using the best Bitcoin mining software for beginners. Now before we get started, I'm currently giving away a brand new iPad to one of my subscribers. All you have to do is watch the entire video, subscribe to the channel, and like this video. Now that's out of the way, let's get into it. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to receive free Bitcoin in 2021 by using the best Bitcoin mining software for beginners. So, Bitcoin is a virtual or digital currency, also known as a cryptocurrency. It is also similar to an electronic version of cash and can be used to purchase goods and services. Furthermore, many merchants consider Bitcoin as a form of payment. Bitcoins can be sent to your digital wallet, and you can also transfer Bitcoins to others. There are three major methods for obtaining Bitcoins. First, you can purchase Bitcoins with real money. Second, you can sell items and accept Bitcoins as payment. And third, there's Bitcoin mining, which you can do with a phone or a device that can be used to farm them. And it's on this subject that we will concentrate on the video. If you want to suggest a video topic, just let me know what money-making strategy you'd like me to teach you in the comment section below. And if you appreciate this kind of content, please help us out by giving this video a thumbs up if you like making money online. Alright, today I will bring you the top most valuable Bitcoin applications available on the internet in the year 2021. Many of the applications we'll be discussing today are totally beginner-friendly and completely free to use. Therefore, you don't need to be an expert in cryptocurrencies to benefit from it. All of these applications can be used as long as you have an internet connection and a cell phone. I will also teach you how to use these applications in the most effective way possible, so make sure you stick around and watch until the very end. The first website you need to use is Coinbase.com, and we're going to put it into two different uses. Coinbase is a Bitcoin wallet that you can use to collect Bitcoin from all the other websites or apps we will be using today. It's absolutely free to use and it's simple as clicking this button to get started. You will be directed to enter your first name, last name, email address, and password. Oh, and make sure the email address you enter is correct and that you have access to it because they're gonna give you a verification link that you have to click on. This is really important because you're gonna need this in order to set up your Bitcoin wallet. Now, your Bitcoin wallet does not have to be on Coinbase.com. You can build one on any website, but you must have one in order to get your earnings. Once you've done that, we'll move on to the second reason we're using Coinbase.com today. You'll see on their homepage that they'll give you a $167 bonus if you sign up. Let's go ahead and click that to see what it's all about. They basically ask you to educate yourself on all these new cryptocurrencies and are willing to pay you for it. As a result, if you begin these courses and complete them, you'd get rewarded. The best thing is that you can use Coinbase.com on your phone to learn about all of these latest cryptocurrencies while still receiving the bonus. Once you've completed that and have received your 167 bonus and set up your Bitcoin wallet, we'll move on to the second app we'll be using to earn free Bitcoin. The next app is called CryptoBrowser.site, which is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. This is one of my personal favorites because one of the things I really like about this is that it allows you to earn money while you sleep. Since this is essentially a Bitcoin miner, you don't need to be actively involved in the method. That is, if you install this browser on your smartphone or device, you can leave it running in the background. It will use some of your computer or smartphone's resources, but it will automatically produce Bitcoin for you. That means you don't have to complete any surveys, watch any advertisements, or complete any micro tasks in order to earn money. You can simply leave it alone, and it will make Bitcoin for you. This browser is very similar to Google Chrome. In fact, if you use it, you will find that it looks, sounds, and uses the same extensions as Chrome. You can use this browser to do anything you would usually do on Google Chrome. And all you have to do to get started is download the app on your smartphone. This is how the application will appear. You can now get the basic version for free or the pro version for a small fee. However, I do not suggest purchasing the pro edition just yet. If you're just starting out and don't have the funds to invest in this process, you can still make money using the free one. After you've done that and you've made some money, you can reinvest it to make even more money. But I'll leave that decision to you. The best thing about Crypto tab is that it's perfect for complete beginners, and you can use the browser in the background when using other applications. So in terms of purely passive income, this is the one. Alright, next up we'll be looking at featurepoints.com. This will be our third app. Like the others, it's also available on both iOS and Android devices, which is a big plus. Since 2012, they have billed over 5.8 million to their customers, and they have been in the industry for a long time. This is a pretty well-known software, and in my experience, they always pay in a very timely manner. To begin, you gotta complete a series of micro tasks in order to earn points that you can later redeem and convert into real money. As a result, you'll be able to participate in surveys and win cashback while shopping at one of their affiliate stores. This app has a unique feature that I wanted to highlight because very few apps have it. It's that you can earn points simply by installing apps. As you can see, you'll be downloading these apps on your smartphone. Most importantly, you'll be receiving rewards in Bitcoins, which means your money will be sent directly to your Bitcoin wallet. Plus, they even pay a good commission for referrals. So if you refer a friend and they start earning points on this app, you'll receive 50% of their earnings. That means you can certainly increase your income by referring your friends or other people who are interested in making money online. You can now sign up on this website by entering your email address here. Or you can download this app to your phone and sign up there by clicking one of these two keys. Next up, we have Sweatcoin, which is not only our fourth app, but they also developed their own cryptocurrency called Sweatcoin. This is available for both iOS and Android users. As you can see, this app compensates you for walking. That's it. That's all you have to do to make money on this app. It's that simple. So if you're a super active person, this app is for you. Sweatcoin has teamed up with a number of stores so you can use your Sweatcoins to choose and buy a variety of products. As you can see, you can purchase products like iPhones, anti-gravity yoga classes, Apple Watches, and much more. They have partnered with over 300 different companies so you have a wide variety of items to choose from. They can even send you PayPal gift cards. This means you can withdraw your money in US dollars at any point, but it'll take some time because PayPal has a high threshold. You may, however, buy some products that are slightly less expensive. Our fifth app on the list is called Free Bitcoin. This app is somewhat similar to Feature Points in that you simply need to complete certain micro tasks such as installing some applications on your computer, watching videos, filling out surveys, and so on to earn points that you can later withdraw or turn into Bitcoin. The app currently has a super high ranking and gets a 4.4 out of 5 rating, however, it does indeed have some negative reviews. So you can either do your own research on the internet or simply try it out and see if it works for you. Results can vary depending on how much time you're willing to invest. Last but not the least, here are the 6th and 7th apps on the list, which are conceptually quite similar. These are mobile games that we can play to supplement our income. The first is titled Blockchain Game and the second is titled Alien Run. Keep in mind that you are exchanging your time for money with these, and depending on how much time you have on your hands, you may or may not be profitable. But I still recommend giving these apps a shot and seeing how much money you can make. So there you have it, that's our entire list on how to get free Bitcoin in the year 2021. Now if you want to make even more money, check out the first link in the summary down below to learn how to make money online passively, which is one of the easiest ways to make money quickly in 2021 that anyone can do, even if they have no prior experience. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. I'll see you in the next one.